Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews and tips. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind this is my personal experience using Fitplan. Fitplan, an honest review. Watch this before you subscribe. Fitplan is a fitness app boasting a diverse library of workout plans crafted by elite athletes and popular fitness influencers. It caters to everyone, from beginners just starting their fitness journey to seasoned pros looking for new challenges. The app's biggest draw is its extensive collection of guided programs. Whether your goal is strength training, shedding those extra pounds, packing on muscle, or simply improving your overall fitness, Fitplan has you covered. It provides video-based workouts with crystal-clear instructions, making it easy to follow along, regardless of whether you're sweating it out at the gym or working out in the comfort of your own home. Each plan is meticulously structured with a daily breakdown of exercises, sets, representatives, and rest times, ensuring you maintain a well-organized and effective fitness routine. One of Fitplan's standout features is the option to choose from a variety of trainers, each with their unique training philosophy and style. For example, you can select plans from renowned fitness personalities like Jen Sailter for toning and sculpting or Ryan Terry for serious muscle building. This diverse roster of trainers ensures you can find a program that perfectly aligns with your individual fitness goals and, importantly, keeps your workouts fresh and engaging. Don't think Fitplan is just for advanced athletes. There are plenty of beginner-friendly plans available that include detailed guidance and modifications, making it simple to jump in and get started even if you're brand new to the world of fitness. The app itself boasts a clean and intuitive interface, allowing for seamless navigation. Furthermore, Fitplan offers goal tracking and progress monitoring features to help keep you motivated and on track as you progress. However, it's crucial to remember that Fitplan operates on a subscription model. While they do offer a free trial to get a taste of what they offer, continued access requires a paid subscription. Some users might find that other fitness apps provide better value, depending on their individual fitness level, specific goals, and budget. There are numerous alternatives available, and it's always worth comparing. In conclusion, Fitplan is a comprehensive fitness app with a clear emphasis on variety and expertise. It's an ideal choice for those seeking structured, guided workouts designed by top-tier trainers. However, if you're working with a tight budget or prefer a more personalized coaching experience with direct interaction, Fitplan might not be the perfect fit for you. Ultimately, if you value structure, professional guidance, and a wide variety of workout options, Fitplan is definitely worth considering.